Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start your geometry first lesson, similarity. Students, all of you very familiar with the word similarity as well as congruency. Now, student, just for the introduction, I am going to explain you a difference between the similarity and the congruency. What is meant by congruent? If I am saying that these two triangles are congruent to each other, it means that they are equal to each other with their angle as well as with their sides. Means if triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equal, they are congruent. It means that every angle is corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are congruent to each other. Congruent means equal measure, side as well as angles. But now students, similarity. In the 9th standard we learn the test of similarity also. Just we have to revise here. Similarity means what? The two triangles are similar. It means that the angle are of equal measures. The angle of equal measures, but the sides are in a equal proportion. They are not equal. Students, remember, this is the difference between the congruency and the similarity. In the similarity of a two triangle, the sides are in a equal proportion. Now look towards this first example. All of you know that the formula to find out the area of true triangle. How to find out the area of two triangle? Okay, what is the formula to find out the area of triangle? The formula is 1 by 2 height into base of that triangle. Now by using the same formula, we have to find out here what is the ratio of area of two triangle if they have the same height. Here it is not mentioned that there is any triangle which are similar. There is any two triangle which are similar. It's just mentioned we have to find out the ratio of areas of two triangles. The ratio of areas of two triangles. Now look towards the diagram. If you are observing this triangle, there are which two triangles are considered here? Triangle this one and a big one, which having this H as a common. A base of one triangle is A and another base is B. Height is H, which is common in both. If you are observing these, students, 1 by 2 A into H, this is area of one triangle, and 1 by 2 BH, this is area of another triangle. Now this half will cancel out. This H is also cancel out because having the same height. And therefore, the area of two triangle which having the same height is equal to A upon B. If there is height is not same, what will the answer? The answer is base into height of one triangle divided by base into height of another triangle. Here why height is cancelled? Because it is a same. Now so many example I will explain you, so don't worry. Now see, what is the ratio of the area of two triangle if they have the same base? If you are observing this triangle, H and K are the two different height, but A is the same base, and therefore the area ratio is equal to their corresponding height, H upon K. H is the height of one triangle, this big one, and this small one inside triangle having a K height, and therefore the ratio of their area is equal to H by K. That is the ratio of their heights. Now students, if the triangles are similar, regarding this theorem we have to learn, that I will explain you after on. Now just remember, when two areas of two similar triangle, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle we have to find out. At that time what to do? All of you know the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 A into H, that is base into height. This is regarding this triangle. The another is this triangle. Now all of you know that if the two triangles are similar, their sides are in a equal proportion. Therefore A upon B is equal to H upon K. A is the side of one triangle, B is the side of another triangle, H is the side of height of first triangle, and K is the height of second triangle. Now after observing these two triangles, they are similar, and therefore A upon B is equal to H upon K, and the ratio of their areas equal to 1 by 2 into A into H upon 1 by 2 into B into K. So this half is cancelled out and you will get A into H upon B into K. But they are similar, therefore their sides are in equal proportion. Therefore A upon B is equal to H upon K. So instead of H upon K, I can put here H upon K is equal to A upon B, and therefore their area is of scale factor. Scale factor means square of side of that corresponding triangle. This we will prove by the theorem afterwards. Now just remember. Now students, what we learn? Just we have to remind it. The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and their corresponding height. When there is no any base and height is same, their ratio is equal to product of their bases and corresponding heights. If the height is equal, then the ratio is the ratio of their base. The areas of two triangle ratio is equal to their bases or corresponding bases. If two triangle have the equal bases, then the ratio of their area is equal to the ratio of their height. And if the two triangles are similar, just I explain you, the ratio of their area is equal to the square of the scale factor. Scale factor means any sides will be given. Okay, corresponding side, sometimes height also given. Therefore it is mentioned here scale factor. So all these 4 points, this is important, and these 3 points you have to mention in your notebook. So this is the base of similarity. Now students, all of you know the test of similarity also. By which test these two triangles are similar, that we proved in the 9th standard. Just this is a revision point. By SAS. SAS means what? Two sides having the equal ratio and the angle including these two sides is an equal measure. Then these two triangles are similar by SAS, that is side angle side test.